Hello and welcome to my channel once again. I'm Mark Butchers. In this presentation on dragon fruit gardening, I'm going to now present to you the dragon fruit garden growth and the management that you have to apply when it's growing and when it grows big. And so this is the presentation that I'd like to do, and for you to have some insight on how to manage dragon fruit after it is grown, from the transplanting up to maturity. And with that, I hope you will also enjoy. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. And again, I said now you can see my dragon fruit from the transplanting in the early life of the garden up to now. The current, now you see the end there, that overgrown dragon fruit cuttings now hanging down on those trellis or platforms. That's the latest, and I'm looking forward to them having, to mature and to flower and fruit sometime. Now this is the dragon fruit garden. You can see now they're growing. But yeah, just have a look at that. Doing well so far. And then another one on the other side, another row or bed. See? So they are all growing. This is now grown up. You can see, you see this one? It's another one that is now going right up, as well as that one. This one here. These ones, wow, just see. Just see, they are all growing. So you can see here, this one is now grown right to the top, almost reaching the base that we put. That's the one. That one as well. And we got some, those are the other plantains. And then I brought some more cuttings which I have germinated or nurseries. So you can see they are now growing because I have put them in the nursery, and they have already rooted, and also the shoots were coming out already. Some grow up to reach the height there, and they start to grow downwards. I will of course cut the branches or the leaves like this one here. See, I can cut it off from here and germinate this one, put it in the nursery, and the roots will come out. Now you can see the dragon fruit planting that I did sometime back. So now they have grown, you see. Now that's the plant. So now it's time for them to grow back, grow down on the sides. So you can see here clearly here, you see. See, they've now grown over the bamboo that I have put there. Okay, so that's the plant. So now those are the plants that have now grown up, and they are now giving back and growing down. So that's where the fruit will now start to come out from, or the flower, and eventually to become the fruit. For 5 months. So you see, we've tied them now. I have to now get rid of these ropes. This one was to support them to grow up. Now they've grown up. They've gone to the height, and now they're giving, bending down. So there's no need more for these strings, ropes. I need to get them off. Maybe preserve them for the next one. Just be careful, otherwise. Yeah, so I will take them out. this one, I think this will stay to hold this one so that it grows in here, and then it will go and probably come out here. And this one, so this will stay. This one is should come out. So okay, so I'm getting quite excited. I'm excited. They've grown big already. So they've now grown up to the top. Yeah, so almost 6 months. It takes like 2-3 years before they can start to fruit, flower and fruit. They have now grown to the top. They've now climbing over the timber or the bamboo I put there on top. So now it's going to hang down. And when it starts to hang down, then that's when it will mature, and then it will now start to flower and bear the fruit. Okay, so this one will come down now. The reason why it's like that, so that it's easy. It comes down, hangs down, and bear fruit somewhere down here at the lower level. Easy to pick. So you can see now they've gone to the top now, and they are now growing over, and then now coming down. Yep. But you have to keep tying them so that this one's here, grow to the top and then it hangs down. Like for this one here, I did not look after this one. These two, you see, now I broke it because it grew out this side here, and there's no support here for it to climb over and hang down on. So you see this one, I turned this one too. So I had to disturb the roots here. I broke them. And this one here, I broke this one here. But eventually it will heal. Yeah, so you have to keep an eye on it, like this one here. So I have to tie it so that it goes straight up first, and then later it will now grow over this timber here. The other one on the other side. It can either go this way, come up this way, and then grow over this one, and to the other side, and it goes down. So you have to keep an eye on it and control it, guide it through by tying it. So now I'm directing it. I want it to go through that way. That small hole. Oh, I can put it this way. Yeah. Okay. So, no, not so much. So it goes up here, and it can now go over. See this one here? So I have to control it. When it goes really long, it can either come this side. See all these ones here? Okay, now this one here, I need to come and tie this one so that it can either grow up this way. It can go up this way too, so it will now grow alongside this post here and come up this way. So I will have to undo this one and then tie it on top. Okay, so see this is what I mean, you see? This one is supposed to go on top over this one here. So I will have to get it out and push it through here. But because it just grown long already, so I'm going to disturb it. I might break it in the process. This one is okay. You see this one here, but luckily we had this extension here, so now it's growing over. You see this one here. You see, my family have not been watching this one. You see, this one here is coming this way. It should go straight. So I will have to come and tie that one up. This one has already gone. Grown over. Okay, that's okay. This one is okay. And this one here, see, I need to guide this one so it grows. I think what I'll do is I'll pull it out this way, and then I'll have to tie it here. For now, I can just put it against this one. I think it's okay. This one here, and they are okay. You see, this one is growing outside, but fortunately we have the extended timber there, so it's going to hold it. It's actually doing fine. I'm happy with them.
It is the first row. still the first row, and there's the other side. Yeah, this is the first row. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. They're doing okay. You should coming out over here. There's some new ones. One going. Second row. The other side of the second row. Here's one. Some going that way. Last one is coming this way. Ooh, see, this one is craft. Finally, the third row. The third row is doing very okay. But it's the first row is very plenty. The second a bit plenty. It's the first one over there. And this is the third one. They're going right up, and then it's coming down. Same to the others too. It's getting stuck to the wood. But that side is a bit plenty. That side.
Yeah, guys, and once again, if you have not seen the dragon fruit, just wait until they flower. Or you can check my video here for the flower and the fruit. For those who are interested and want to do within your current block now, on a small scale, just couple of rows, just like mine here, the 3 rows here. Please, you can drop me a note, a request that you want some cuttings, and I can prepare some cuttings and sell them to you. For now, they are still young and they're still growing, so I'm not prepared to do the cuttings as yet. I'll let them to mature. You know, all those branches coming out, they have to mature, and then I can cut them and prepare them for sales. Yeah, but otherwise, please feel free to contact me or to drop me a comment and a request, and I should respond, and we'll take it on from there. With that, guys, I hope you are enjoying yourself, or you have enjoyed yourself. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Thank you very much, guys, and stay blessed.